PyCourse Complete Python Programming Course Home Modules Projects Start Now Salford & Co. Home Service About Us Get Closer Why Learn Python? The world's most popular language. Easy syntax. Python reads like plain English. Its clean, minimal syntax means beginners can learn fast and experts can build quickly without boilerplate. Endless applications. Web development, data science, AI, machine learning, automation, scripting. Python powers it all across every major industry. Rich ecosystem. Millions of developers, thousands of libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Flask, TensorFlow, and a thriving global community ready to help. Python course. Setting up Python Home Setup Libraries Projects Your Dev Environment. Download Python. Visit python.org and download the latest stable version for your OS. Run the installer and check Add Python to Path. Choose your IDE. VS Code, lightweight and extensible. PyCharm, full-featured Python IDE. Jupyter Notebook, ideal for data science and interactive coding. Your first script. Open your IDE and type, print, hello, Python. Run it and see your first output in the terminal. Python Course Home. Python Syntax Basics. Indentation Rules. Print and comments. Your first program. Python uses indentation to define code blocks. Consistent spacing, 4 spaces, is mandatory. No curly braces needed. Use print, to display output. Add hashtag for single-line comments and for multi-line docstrings to document your code. Print, hello, Python. Hashtag output, hello, Python. Just one line to run your very first Python program. Syntax examples. Get started. Salford & Co. Variables and data types. Home. Dynamic typing in action. Service About Us Get Closer. Python uses dynamic typing. No need to declare types. Int, whole numbers, age equals 30, float, decimals, height equals 5.6, str, text, name equals Alice, bool, true/false, is _student equals true, name equals Alice, age equals 30, height equals 5.6, is _student equals true. Print, name, age, height, is _student, PyLearn. Working with strings. Concatenation and repetition. Greeting equals hello plus world. Hashtag concatenation. Echo equals ha *3 hashtag rightward arrow ha ha ha. Key string methods, dot lower, rightward arrow converts to lowercase. Dot upper, rightward arrow converts to uppercase. Dot strip, rightward arrow removes leading / trailing spaces. Dot split, rightward arrow splits into a list. Code example, greeting equals hello, world, print, greeting. Dot strip, dot upper, output, hello, world. Strings. Home strings methods examples. Salford & Co.